Join me this year for the Nail Tech event of the Smokies Trade Show, July 8th and 9th, 2023. Elevate your skills and ignite your business. To all nail technicians and cosmetologists, it's a professional trade show only. Are you ready to take your career to the next level? The Nail Tech event of the Smokies is just around the corner, 8 weeks away, and we invite you to be part of this incredible opportunity to enhance your skills, connect with your industry experts, and ignite your business growth. As a valued member of the nail industry, we understand the importance of continuing education and staying up to date with the latest techniques and trends. That's why we're thrilled to introduce you to our exclusive course, Acrylic Nails, Application, Timing, and Guaranteed Business Growth. By attending this course at the Nail Tech event of the Smokies, you'll gain access to invaluable knowledge and insights that can transform your career. Here's what you can expect. 1. Comprehensive step-by-step instruction. My course offers you a systematic approach to mastering the art of acrylic nails. From proper application techniques to perfecting the timing, we leave no stone unturned, and you get to experience my new formula with Flexi Fit technology. 2. Guaranteed business growth. We believe that expanding your skills should directly impact your income. Our strategies and proven methods will empower you to attract new clients, retain existing ones, and ultimately scale your income. 3. A free acrylic nails kit. As a special bonus, you'll receive a complimentary acrylic nails kit valued at over $179 upon purchasing your ticket. You'll get the kit at the show. The kit contains our new Meticulous Manicurist acrylic product line and all of the essential tools and products you need to excel in your industry as an acrylic nails expert. The Nail Tech event of the Smokies is not just an educational event. It's also an opportunity to network with new friends and socialize with like-minded professionals. You'll be surrounded by individuals who share your passion for the industry, creating an atmosphere of inspiration and collaboration. Imagine being able to connect with fellow nail technicians, industry leaders, and suppliers all under one roof. The possibilities for growth and expanding your professional network and knowledge are endless. Don't miss out on this chance to accelerate your career and unlock your full potential. Register for the Nail Tech event of the Smokies at nailtechevent.com and secure your place in our Acrylic Nails Application, Timing, and Guaranteed Business Growth course at meticulousmanicurist.com. Simply go to the website, click to purchase your ticket. You'll be added to our spreadsheet, and you will get an email inviting you to the course with all of the details. You'll receive the acrylic nails kit at the course, and we will use it to do all of the applications that you will learn. You'll use the kit to learn all of the techniques and become an acrylic nails expert. So space is limited, so we encourage you to reserve your spot today to avoid disappointment, and join us at the Nail Tech event of the Smokies to let us guide you towards success in the nail industry. We look forward to meeting you in Gatlinburg and empower you with the skills and knowledge that you need to excel. And if you have any questions or further information, please email me at contact@themeticulousmanicurist.com. And you can also attend the class without attending the trade show on Sunday the 9th, but the show is a fantastic way to network and get your favorite products at show prices. So get your ticket on nailtechevent.com. Grab a friend, reserve your hotel room before they're all sold out, and we will see you in Gatlinburg, Tennessee on July 8th and 9th. See you soon.